Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Prime Video is showing a black screen, do not worry. This is a common issue and can be fixed easily. First, check your internet connection because weak or unstable Wi-Fi can cause video display problems. Then, swipe out from the bottom of your screen, look for Prime Video, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Then try playing a video again. Now, if the screen is still black, restart your phone, TV, or device to clear temporary system errors. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Prime Videos, and make sure that the Prime Video app is updated to the latest version because outdated apps often cause display issues. Next, also try reducing the video quality in the settings if the problem continues. If nothing works, log out of your account and log back in. Now your Prime Video black screen issue should be fixed. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next guide.